Coach. Good evening, everybody. I just want to tie into something when we advertise, if we choose to advertise our referral link. If you'll go to your marketing tools, there's 3 or 4 separate landing pages there. If you go in there and look at those landing pages and check which specific landing page you would like to advertise with, once you check that, it ties into your funds referral link. And that just gives you an opportunity to change up your landing pages, your marketing skills, and everything else all combined.
Thank you for that, George. Appreciate that. Now, we've noticed a lot of people, thank you, George, are not going through all of the tabs that are available in the back office. Now, folks, understand this. Your membership might only be $10 or $30 a month, right? But your back office opens up a multi-million-dollar opportunity. And it is built as such. It is a robust back office that enables you to get all of the information that you need to successfully grow a global network. And in growing that global network, you have unlimited amounts of resources available over time. So don't take your $10 or $30 membership lightly, because it is tying you into a multiple multi-trillion-dollar industries. That's what we're putting together in this community. So thank you, George. Definitely needed that, because there's so much back there, and everybody really has to, really start doing their due diligence in your own back office to really unfold every layer that is available to you. Major Alliances, you should be unmuted, my brother.
Sir, I am.
All right.
Yes, sir. Man, oh man. First of all, Coach B, JP, and all the amazing advisory board, thank you all for all that you do for this entire community, seen and unseen, known and unknown, because I know the work that you guys put behind is incredible. I just wanted to share a quick, exciting story. We've been part of this amazing community now just under, 2 months, and we're really enjoying it. But one of the things we're doing with funds is we're using our funds that we generate with funds, and we're sewing it back into our team in funds. So over the last few days, we've been taking care of memberships. We've been staking some funds for contest winners, people inviting people to some of our team calls. And I just think it's really, really powerful to be able to raise funds and then go back and sow into another person, to sow a seed of good cheer into another person. And that's really, I believe, the spirit of what this entire community is about. It's about, not just, obviously we want to earn income here, we want to make money here, but if we can really come together and support these causes, everyone's cause will be met. So it's been real cool. I just learned today, my brother just shared with me that one of our individuals that just came on, Coach, he's legally disabled. He's disabled. And he just started as a gold member yesterday. So shout out to him. I can't wait to hear his story, as it unfolds here in this community. But what you all have put together here is absolutely mind-blowing. And when we talk about what you said, a robust back office, that's an understatement. What's back there? Ladies and gentlemen, you do not want to miss. I mean, you should take the time. There's a very simple expression. Tell me and I'll forget. Show me and I'll remember, but involve me and I'll understand. Get involved, be a part of the process, go to your back office, and you will see the amazing rewards that are available to you in this compensation plan. Because every time we talk about it, we learn something new. So I just wanted to share that with you, my good brother. I appreciate all that you guys are doing, and just wanted to give you a quick shout out from this side of what's happening on our side.
Thank you for that, Mr. Donald from Major Alliances. So very important, folks, to hear that, because you just struck a reminder for me that we actually have a pay it forward video already recorded. I'll go ahead and put it in the Telegram group. And folks, it's something that, a lot of people, we've been doing it since we started. It's something that I religiously do on a withdrawal. If I take $1,000 out, I put 10% on the side as a pay it forward fund. You know what I'm saying? Because that's 10 people that I get to get going at the minimum, the silver level. And so that's 10 additional 25% matching bonuses that I just introduced into my own personal 4x8. You know, so thank you for sharing that, Major Alliances, you know, because once again, we're all here to share this energy and positive information amongst each other and folks. It just takes that one nugget for that one person to really set their network on fire. So everybody here has valuable input, and that's why we're doing our fun stories. Anybody else before we close out? We're right on schedule. Anybody else? All right, Mr. Braden, you should be unmuted.
Hey, everybody. How's everybody tonight? I just wanted to mention two quick things here. I'm Braden, one half of the DeFi boys. Some other people may know Mike. He's my partner, but you know, we have been here a little while now, not too long. But I really appreciate Don from his community there, and how he gives back to the community. And he touched on something that was really important, is to really get to know, you know, your back end. But what I wanted to stress on is get to know the advisory board. So it's one of the things that Mike and I did when we looked closely at funds, is coming in and getting to know your advisory board. Now, I'm not saying trying to get onto the phone with them, because that's, you know, impossible, but come to the Zoom calls. I mean, there's 5 Zoom calls every single week. Get to know the advisory board. Go to the Telegram channel and ask the questions. I mean, this is what we did, and we really made a point of getting to know, you know, Coach B and Coach A and JP Valcars and Renee. We wanted to know these people. And, you know, it was so good because we actually found out how, you know, how they care about their community the same way that we do with the best community. So it was just awesome getting to know these guys and girls and how they can care about the community. But that's available to everybody. It really is. Just take that time, like take that action. It's all available to you. Just go to the Zoom calls, go to the chat. There's a Facebook page. It's all there. You know, it's there for you. So really take that action and get to know them, because when you know yourself, you know what this is all about, it makes a huge difference. Okay. And one of the other things I wanted to mention just quickly too is funds has really made it easy for me now personally to be able to help some organizations that I'm particularly close to. One of them here in Canada is Scouts Canada. My wife has been part of Scouts Canada for a long, long time. And particularly through this pandemic that everybody's been suffering with, Scouts Canada has suffered greatly. They've lost all of their ability to raise funds. You know, their hamburger stands and, you know, the apple, selling the apples, they've lost all of that. So now, because of funds, and I feel really comfortable with this, I've actually been able to create an account for Scouts Canada, and now I'm raising funds for them. And every month I can go ahead now and get those funds to them, and they're very, very appreciative. So, you know, again, why did I do that? Because I really feel comfortable with funds. I got to know the advisory board. Everybody can do that. So, you know, use that as a guide, you know, when you're looking closely at funds. Okay.
Thank you, Braden.
Thank you.
Exactly. Do your due diligence hands-on, because we're here for it. Thank you so much, Braden.
Thank you.
Crypto Ray?
Hey, Coach, how you doing?
Doing great.
Good to see you. Hey, I just got a short technical question.
Yes, sir.
I have two referrals on my team, and they're in the pre-launch phase of the in the back office, right? In the pre-launch. When do they go to the live matrix?
When they upgrade. Pre-launch means free, live means upgraded.
Got you. Okay, that's what I suspected. Thank you. That's all I had to ask. And thank you so much for having this training meeting. It's so useful. God bless you guys.
So thank you. Great question. That's a common question that everybody has. So great question, and I'm glad we got it recorded. Thank you. All right, folks, any other questions before we close out? We thank everybody for inviting your teams. We're about 61 people here, 62, 63 now. So our numbers are continuing to tick up. Folks, it is 22 minutes after the hour. All of the lines are now unmuted. We invite you to Coach A's call tomorrow at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we'll close out with the story from Miss Smiles. Miss Smiles, you are now unmuted.
Hello, I'm so happy to be here. Rufus invited me, and I love the energy here. I love what you guys are doing.
Hold on.
What do you mean with what?
There you go. I unmuted everybody a little too early. Go ahead.
Okay, I was saying I'm new here. I love the energy. I love what you guys and ladies are doing. Rufus invited me, so I'm in the pre-launch stage right now, but I'm definitely loving what I'm hearing tonight. Thank you so very much.
No, we appreciate that. We love to hear that energy because it lets us know that we're doing what we're supposed to be doing, and that's making sure that the community understands what they have and really helping you understand that there's no stress involved. You know, it's like we say, our fun story. So thank you for that. We're going to close out with Bitcoin Mike, right on schedule. Bitcoin Mike, you are now unmuted.
Hey, Coach B, how you doing today?
Doing super.
Great. I just want to let everybody know I'm still loving everything. Every time I come to these calls, I feel like it's my first day, and I'm not just saying that. I'm really, really excited about funds and the fact that we can help so many people. But also, I'm kind of proud of some of my team members because Ghulam is actually on our team and his sponsor, Jim, is on here, but I'm not sure how they're supposed to go about getting in touch with who they need to do to collect his prize. So if you'd like to just share that with Jim, maybe he could get it back to him because Jim is his sponsor.
Oh, yeah. Basically, all he has to do is send in a support ticket stating that he was the winner of the prize for tonight, the sales contest for last week. They'll verify his username because we have the, it's right there on the weekly sales report. And then he'll basically just have to submit where he wants his prize mailed to. He also has the option to get cryptocurrency, the cost of the prize in cryptocurrency. So those are the ways he does it. All he has to do is put in a support ticket. Thank you for that, Bitcoin Mike. We had one last question we're going to close out with. The question was, when are we out of pre-launch? We're going to go into our launch phase right around 5,000 to 7,500 members. That's active members, active live accounts in our community. And that will set a date. And when that date is set, we'll probably have anywhere between 10 to 15,000 people launching with us live. So that is the strategy. We're at 3,600 people now. So we'll be at 5,000 people over the next 60 days. And those dates will be getting set. Great question. I'm already trade as a gold member. Can you get the card bonus for one gold member? The card bonus, you have to qualify with 4 members. So once you have your 4 members, you start to qualify for the card bonus. Great question. And so we have that. Once again, we have videos answering all of that. Please visit www.fundsinfo.com to get literally most of your questions answered. Even if you sign up as a free member and go into the FAQs, tons of information there. Join us on Thursday nights. That's my personal call, and we dump into the money and answer all compensation questions. So with that being said, everybody going to officially unmute. We're right on schedule. Buzz call for everybody to get the information and get back to your lives. Let's turn on our cameras, unmute our mics.